Good day to Ma'am and Sir. I am Lorena Pacatiti Boldak. I'm 36 years old and I live in Baguio Village, Dipon, Quirino, Philippines. I'm happily married, blessed with one daughter, age 5 years old. I work as a housemaid in Philippines for 2 years. From March 2016 until March 2018, I served 3 members of the family, one couple and one newborn, and I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and 3 months. There are 7 members of the family, one couple, one newborn, 5 years old, 10 years old, 16 years old, and 18 years old. My main duties are taking care of the children and taking care of the newborn baby, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, and maintaining the cleanliness of the house. To Ma'am and Sir, please hire me as a helper and I will do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, Ma'am.